Once a lemon tree and a pomelo tree lived and grew together in an old orchard. When the springtime came, they opened wide their beautiful blossoms and were very happy, and all the children came to visit them, and their hearts were glad with the joy of springtime. When the warm winds blew, they bowed their heads and waved their blossom covered arms until they looked like gay until flower girls dancing in the sunshine. Then the birds came together and sang sweet songs to the fragrant, happy trees, and their joy lasted from spring until summer. But once in the summertime, the lemon tree talked all night long, telling the pomelo tree of a great sorrow that had come to her. And she said, I wish I were a pomelo tree, for I have learned that the children of men do not like my children so well as they like yours. The firstborn of my family are thrown away or destroyed. The second generation are taken from me and put in the sunshine for 20 days before they are liked. They are never seen in the marketplaces as your children are, for it is said, we are too bitter and sour. My children are not well thought of. Ah, me! I wish I were not a lemon tree. Why did the Creator make your children so sweet that they have a good name in all the world, while mine are sour and bitter? My followers are the same as your followers. My trees are like the same as yours, but my fruit is almost despised. When the moon feast day of the 8th month and 15th day comes, then your children have a happy time, for they are honored in every family. When the New Year feast day comes, your children are placed on the first table, and everyone says, Oh, how beautiful! Women and girls like to kiss your children's sweet faces. Oh, Mrs. Pamelo, I should like to be as great a blessing to the world as you are. And the Pamelo said, My dear friend, do not say these sad words to me. I feel sure that someday you will be loved as much as I am. Did you know that the master spoke of your beauty today? What did he say? Asked the lemon tree. He said, How beautiful the lemon tree is. I think I shall try to grab the branches of the lemon tree onto the pomelo tree. Wait until another springtime comes, and you will see how much your children will be honored. How happy we shall be together when you come to grow with me, and I with you. So the next year, the master and his son brought a sharp knife and cut the lemon tree's branches and fastened them to the pomelo tree. The first fruit came and the children danced for joy. How queer to see lemons growing on the pomelo tree, they said, and the lemons were no longer bitter and sour, but were so pleasant to taste and so fair to look upon that many were saved for the coming feast day. The lemon tree saw that her children were honored, and she was very happy. Her heart was grateful to the pomelo tree who had raised her children to honored places. And from that time, the lemon tree and the pomelo both had the same body and the same mind, the same happiness and the same friends through many generations forever. Who sing and the mirror. One day, Wu Xing's father brought home a mirror from the great city. Wu Xing had never seen a mirror before. It was hung in the room while he was out at play. So, when he came in, he did not understand what it was, but thought he saw another boy. This made him very happy, for he thought the boy had come to play with him. He spoke to the stranger in a very friendly way, but received no reply. He laughed and waved his hand at the boy in the glass, who did the same thing in exactly the same way. Then Wu Xing thought, I will go closer. It may be that he doesn't not hear me. But when he began to walk, the other boy imitated him. Wu Xing stopped to think about these strange actions, and he said to himself, this boy mocks me. He does everything that I do. And the more he thought about it, the angrier he became. And soon he noticed that the boy became angry too. So Wu Xing grew very much and raised and struck the boy in the glass, but he only hurt his hand, and he went crying to his father. The father said, the boy you saw was your own image. This should teach you an important lesson. My son, you ought never to show your anger before other people. You struck the boy in the glass and hurt only yourself. Now remember that in real life, when you strike without cause, you will hurt yourself most of all.